Welcome back to student in a new video. Today we are coming back with math revision work for class 4. Student, I write two questions on the board. First is complete the pattern. You can see these types of question is very easy. At first, for solving these types of answer, we have to see in the first two digit. How? 5 and 7. So 7 and 5 you can know it is 12. Then the 7 and 9. 7 and 9 it is 16. After it is like that a pyramid types. It is like that a pyramid pattern. Then after that we have to add this one and this one. So it is very easy. We know that it is 28. Same process. In exam, these types of question will become 10 and 5, 15, and 15 and 10, 25, and 25 and 15, it will be 40. Very easy pyramid pattern. Then here is number 2. It is what problem actually. If the cost of half kg onion is rupees 20, half kg means 500 gram. Then what will be the price is cost. You can write here cost also. Cost of 2 kg onions. So solution we can write cost of half kg onion is rupees 20, because this is odd problem, so we can write in odd. So we can write, so cost of 1 kg, we cannot write direct 2 kg because there is given half. We have to find out at first. 1 is 20 multiplied 2. Okay, so it will become rupees 40. Because if it is half, 500 gram 20, so 1 kg will be double, then 2 kg will be then again double, then cost of 2 kg onions is 40 multiplied 2. So it will become 80. It will become rupees 80. So we can write answer like this. Cost of 2 kg onion is rupees 80. Okay, this is very simple. Only you have to understand properly. You have to understand properly. Very simple. Step by step you have to follow this. I request you, please write it properly and practice it. Then we have more question. Okay students, another 2 question on your board. If the cost of 1 kg potato is rupees 22, now it is given very easy, it is 1 kg. Then what will be the cost of that? Means it is the opposite of last question. Okay, so solution, what you need to write? The cost of 1 kg potato is rupees 22. So the cost of half kg means 500 gram. You know that potato is, now we have to divide it. We have to dividation it. Okay, how? 22 divided by 2. You can write this answer like this also. 22 and here will be half. Because it is half, so we can very easily cut down it. 11. So our answer will become also 11. Okay. So what we need to write? Answer: half kg potato price is rupees 11. Bas, this is very simple answer. You have to understand only. The next question: if the cost of 1/4, remember half and 1/4 different, kg tomato is rupees 15, then what will be the cost of 1 kg tomato? So 1/4 means we know that if we have a 100 rupees, so it is 1/4 means we can cut like this, so it will become 25. Yes na? So 1/4 means this is the part of 25%. Okay, but this is not related to this one. I write it for your understanding. Now, so what we need to write? Very easy. The cost of kg tomato is rupees 15. So the cost of 1 kg tomato is, what you need to write? Very easy. It is 1/4. That means we know that we have to multiply 15 with 4. Okay, so it will become 60 rupees. It will become 60 rupees. How? Why you multiply with 4? Because here is given already 4. If it is come back, it will be half it given. We will multiply with 2. Yes na? So it is 4. So you have to write answer. We have to write answer 1 kg tomato price is, there is written cost, but price and cost is same, rupees 60. Bas, this is our another question solved. Very easy. Write it in your rough copy and practice for your PT2. But we have another question also, that will be something another type. Okay, now come back with the question number 5. Okay students, the last question I written on the board. There are 20 oranges in half kg. How many oranges will be there in 3/4 kg? That means half kg 20 oranges. It will be apple and other things. Then we have to find out third. That means 1/4. No, 3/4 we have to find out. So at first you can write like this: half kg equal to 20 oranges. Okay. So 1 kg equal to half. Oh sorry, 1 kg equal to we have to multiply, because from half we have to find out. So 20 multiply 2 oranges, that means 40 oranges. Okay, so in one case we have 40 oranges, so we can write it. Then in third 4 kg we have 3 by 4 multiply 40 oranges. It can be in bracket. Then we can very easily cut this down. 4 and 4. Then 0 will be here, so it will be 10. Okay. So after that, this and this one we have to multiply. So it will be 30 oranges. So very easy process. We can find out any types of multiplication, any types of fraction portion to practice only. So we have to write the answer. These types of portion always come in 4 marks or 2 marks. Sometimes there will be another part will be added like that. If this name will be gives these types of rupees, so how many left this types. So practice it. So you can write there will be 30 orange. Oh, the spelling will be wrong here. Orange, O-R-A-N-C-H, oranges, O-R-A-N, oranges in 3 by 4 kg. Bas, so our answer will become, and it is very easy. Okay students, so practice this 5 portion. If you practice, I think your PT2 exam will be good. So we will meet our next class with another portion. So take care, bye bye.